1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome to my Didi's channel.
So welcome back to my channel. My name is Revti Bawa, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe करा.
Please subscribe this channel and give the thumbs up.
ते नाही बोलायची गरज, ते नंतर बोलू. So meet my sister. Her name is Vaidehi. So she's in कोणत्या स्टँडर्ड मध्ये?
My name is Vaidehi and I am studying in class 4.
So yeah, so she's in the 4th standard and I've never done her makeup. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing her makeup. So I'm really very excited, and also we are going to be a bit chatty because we both are very talkative, and you'll know. So if you're interested, then keep on watching and let's just finally get into the video. So guys, I've already made her wash her face. So face धुल गया है, साफ है एकदम. I'm just going to take this tissue, wipe her face and get rid of all the extra oil. And yeah, I'm going to be doing it. And also I'm going to ask her some fun questions. Let's see what she has to answer. तर तू कोणत्या डिव्हिजन मध्ये, कोणत्या क्लास मध्ये?
I am studying in class 4 and my division is 8.
8. A, okay. Oh, A, yeah. And which is your favorite subject?
I think English.
English?
Yeah.
You like English?
Yeah.
In English, what you like? Like what do you like about the language?
The stories.
Stories. You like the literature part, that means.
Yeah.
Because in English you have language and literature, so you like the literature part.
Yes.
So yeah, so now I'm done with wiping her face. Now I'm gonna just prime up her face by using the aloe vera gel of Patanjali. So let's start. So this is the gel that I'm gonna be using. So this is the first time actually I'm doing makeup on camera, and I'm never used to it. Okay, I'm not used to it obviously because I'm doing it for the first time. So I'm a bit nervous. So guys, if this video doesn't turn out the way you expected to, I'm sorry yaar. Just सीख रही हूँ, माफ कर देना. How do you feel, being on my channel? How do you feel? What do you feel about it?
Very nice.
You also want to start your YouTube channel, na?
Yeah.
So from where did you get the inspiration of starting your own YouTube channel?
From YouTube only.
From YouTube, but by watching whose channel or by getting inspired from who?
Yours and my Miss Anand.
My Miss Anand.
Yeah.
So there's this, I don't know if you guys know, there's this Miss Anand of my sister's age only, and she also has a YouTube channel, and yeah, she makes a lot of childish videos because obviously she's a child, so my sister likes watching her channel as well. So yeah, so now I'm done with applying the aloe vera gel, and guys, I've never done makeup on anyone, so this is my first time. I'm pretty excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, so guys, I'm done with prepping her skin. Now I'm going to be using this foundation shade. It's actually my own shade, but she's almost of my own, like my complexion, so I'm sure this would look good on her. So yeah, let's start. Doing someone's makeup is not difficult, but I tell you guys, shooting and doing is difficult. Now I know how much efforts YouTubers take to make videos. Like it's easy to judge कि यार इतना कुछ मेहनत नहीं लगता, but unless you do it, you will not understand what goes into making and filming videos. Like it's one hell of a job, I'm telling you guys. Have you done your makeup before?
Yeah.
When did you do?
At 2018.
2018?
Yeah.
How do you remember the year?
Because मेरी चाची ने वो किया था.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद चाची से मेरी नहीं बहुत देर हो गई. फिर उसके बाद 2019 में मेरे पापा बिजी हो गए, और फिर 2000 में कोरोना आ गया.
कोरोना नहीं होता तो अपन कहाँ रहते अभी, बता जरा. कहीं नहीं, घूमने नहीं जाते?
घूमने जाते. अगर कोरोना नहीं होता तो मैं तो लंदन जाती.
और लंदन जाएगी?
हाँ.
कैसे?
फ्लाइट.
फ्लाइट से? बट किसके साथ?
मेरी फैमिली. अगर मेरी फैमिली मुझे अलाउड करती तो मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना चाहूँगी.
फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना है मैडम को, हमको आज तक नहीं जाने दिया, इसको जाने देंगे. So foundation part is done. Now we'll use the concealer. So I'm gonna conceal. वैसे she doesn't have dark circles, but it's part of the makeup. So let's just do it. doing makeup?
Um,
You like or not? Tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know? If you like it or not, you should know, na? What you like, you should know, na, baby?
Yeah, but I like.
You like makeup?
Yeah.
So when you grow up, what do you want to become? Like, what is your dream job, or let's say, what is your ambition, or you know, what you want to grow up when you become? What do you want to become when you grow up?
My dream is I want to become a collector.
Your dream is to become a.
Collector.
So you want to become a collector? Is that what you're saying, me?
Collector or a YouTuber.
So she wants to become either a collector or a YouTuber, which is kind of cool, don't you think, guys? For a child to think that she wants to become a YouTuber and also something like a collector. So I'm really proud of her. And which is your favorite sibling? मतलब तेरे सारे भाई बहनों में से तेरी favorite कौन है? अभी मैं मेरा नाम नहीं लेने का. मेरे को छोड़ के कौन है? She'll take my name only, obviously.
आपको छोड़कर भैया.
भैया. अनिकेत मेरा मामा का बेटा. So that's what she means when she says bhaiya. We call him bhaiya. So इसलिए. Actually, I'm the eldest one, but we call my younger sister also Didi, and then my younger brother also. They're like 5 to 7 years younger than me. We call them bhaiya, Didi. They are younger. That doesn't make any sense, but बचपन से वही बोलते आ रहे तो that's that. So concealing का part हो गया, and this video is gonna be pretty chatty one, and I'm the only one who's talking. Why are you not talking anything? Even you're supposed to talk. What? Say fast.
I don't know.
तर तुला कोणता आय शॅडो लावायचे सांग मला याच्यातला कोणता. I'm gonna apply eyeshadow on her eyes. I mean, I sound so lame, but I'm really nervous because I don't know, I'm nervous, guys. So please समझ के लो. Which eyeshadow do you want me to apply on your eyes?
Golden.
Golden one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I'm applying it with my fingers because that's more convenient. Which is your favorite color, baby?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink or
Golden.
golden? So how many friends do you have?
10.
10 friends. How can you say such an exact number?
Because I know that.
Okay, name me all of your 10 friends. I want to know the names of your 10 friends.
Okay, my best friend is Aryashri.
Arushri.
Aryashri.
Aryashri.
Yeah.
Okay. Speak loudly so that everyone will hear too. Be loud.
My friend's name is Aryashri,
Yeah.
Gayatri, Chanchal, Riddhima, then Ritika,
Okay, all.
or Real,
And
Arya.
We've come only 5 na abhi tak.
8.
8.
Let's count again.
Let's count again, hai na? Let's count again.
Okay. My first friend is Aryashri,
Okay, 1.
Gayatri,
Second.
Chanchal,
3rd.
Riddhima,
4th.
then Ritika.
Rutika.
Yeah.
Okay, 5th.
6th.
Oh, we just counted 4th na. How come 6th?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just count again.
Okay. First is Aryashri.
Okay.
Second is Gayatri.
Okay.
Third is Chanchal.
Okay.
Fourth is Ritika.
Okay.
And fifth is Riddhima.
5th is Riddhima. Okay. 6th.
And sixth is Priya.
7th.
Arya.
Arya, you repeated this name, I feel. No?
No.
Okay, then the 8th one.
Eighth one is.
Why you're taking so long? You knew the exact number, na? So you should have known, na?
Just a minute.
8, 9, 10, 3 more names. Give me 3 more names.
3 more names. No?
You don't have any friend in boys?
No.
Why? You don't like making friends with boys?
No.
Aww. Even I didn't like making friends in boys like back in school. Even I didn't have any friends in boys back in school.
So my eighth.
Yeah, 3 more names we want. Jaldi, chalo.
Eighth friend is. Eighth friend. I don't know.
Okay, so you have total 7 friends.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, I've done a little, okay job at applying the eyeshadow. Thoda I do finishing more. It's really difficult, to check, to see in the viewfinder and then, do the makeup. It's really complicated, you guys. and I'm standing and doing the makeup. What are you asking me?
Did you like fashion?
I love fashion. Like I've always loved fashion. Bachpan se, just like when I was your age, tabhi se I loved clothes. Clothes was like one thing that has remained constant that I love. Like I love clothes, and when I say it, I am just. It's an understatement to make I love clothes that much. I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette to do the highlight as well. And I really love highlighting. Like highlighter is my favorite part of the makeup. Do you apply blush? Have you ever applied blush? No? Oh my god, this looks funny.
Why?
No, I applied too much now, that's why. Wait, show me. Wow, my sister's looking all shiny, huh? So we are done with the highlight part. Now I'm gonna be doing her brows. She actually has amazing brows, so I don't have to really do anything much to the brows. I'll just brush them out, and I'll also be adding blush and mascara and liner and lipstick. So there are a lot more steps remaining. So yeah, let's just dive in. So now guys, I'm gonna be adding this blush. So yeah, let's just add little pinkness to my sister's cheeks.
It is so soft.
The brush is soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't do a bad job at doing makeup, but I'm still a beginner. So now I'm going to be applying mascara. Are you excited? You love applying mascara. Open your eyes. Don't get scared. Wait, see, it's that easy. It's hurting you? Is it? No, no. Wait. Open your eyes. It's really difficult, man, to do it on the camera, isn't it?
Yeah.
And plus, thoda lagum gela, yaar. It's difficult. Open your eyes. Don't get scared. Wait. So my sister's got really amazing long and thick lashes. She doesn't even need this mascara. But anyways, I'm just doing it because it's the part of makeup. It's hurting?
Yeah.
Sorry, baby. Okay, open your eyes. So you like the mascara?
Yeah, I like some.
Wait, इधर ना गलती से लगता है थोड़ा सा mascara. हाँ. So guys, I didn't really apply it properly because it's gonna hurt her, and I don't know how to apply it on somebody else. So I just applied it for the name's sake. But yeah, now you want me to apply you liner or not?
No.
No?
No.
Then what do you want me to do now? Only lipstick is remaining. Yeah, only lipstick is remaining. So what, you only want to apply lipstick?
Yeah.
Done then?
Then.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to be brushing out your eyebrows with this eyebrow kit. I'm just brushing them upwards so that they look all natural and nice. The child YouTuber, does she also does makeup on her channel?
I think.
You see her videos now, so you should know now whether she does or not.
Means I'm not seeing her video continuously.
But still, like all the videos that you might have watched up till now, she might have done na. If she does, you'll know now.
No.
She doesn't do makeup, right?
Yeah.
You shouldn't also do until you're like grown up. Don't do makeup. It'll spoil your skin.
Okay.
Okay, my baby. So I'm gonna be applying this lipstick to my sister. So guys, the makeup is done. Ta-da! Kasa watte tula? You like the makeup or not? Tell me, how do you like up? Like, how would you rate this makeup look? Think fast.
Out of 10, I will give the makeup out of 10.
Out of 10. So 10 out of 10 that means, right?
Yeah.
So you like the makeup, pakka na?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna transform the complete OOTD as well and doll her up. So I'll see you once I've dolled her up completely. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So guys, I'm back with my sister's makeover, complete makeover. I bought this dress for her a couple of months back, like almost 8 months back. I bought this dress from Shein. It is an off-shoulder dress with pearl detailing on it, and I love it, you guys. I'll show you completely how it actually looks. So wait for that. So how did you like being on my channel? कसं वाटलं तुला channel वर येऊन सांग लोकं.
very nice.
Nice. तू
Yeah.
परत माझ्यासोबत व्हिडिओ बनवशील?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yeah.
You had?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, this is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of slow, but it was my first time. I'll try to improve with coming videos, like with making some more such videos. I'll master the art hopefully. So yeah, that is that. And yeah, how do you like the complete makeover? Let my audience know.
It was fun and I like that makeover.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Okay, I said I think I've asked you liked it like a million times. I really feel, I mean, अब तक मैंने you liked it कितने बार बोला होगा, and I stutter a lot, guys. But it's all my nervousness that makes me stutter. So yeah, and yeah, the dress is pretty. I love it. I feel bad that Shein got banned because like kids collection on Shein was amazing, like amazing. You can tell by this dress already. I only paid 500, something in the range 500 for this dress, and it's totally worth it. So tell my audience to subscribe and like and all of that. Tell them to do.
Please subscribe my Didi's channel and please give this video thumbs up.
So you've heard my sister say. So at least मेरी बहन के लिए कर दो यार. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे ये वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया होगा तो अभी जाके करो. Go hit that like button now, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. बोलते हैं ना सांग सब्सक्राइब करा.
फिर से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
फिर से एक ही बार होता है ना पगलू. So if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe now, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be next Friday. Until then, stay home, stay safe, keep being happy, positive, and yeah, life's good. If you're alive and you've come out of this pandemic, then life's good. So be grateful, be blessed, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.